In today's world, websites and apps need to be fast, dynamic, and interactive. That's where React comes in. React is a powerful JavaScript library developed by Facebook, designed to make building user interfaces simple and efficient. We'll be using React with Vite, a fast and modern build tool. To set up the environment, open your terminal and run the following commands. Once you execute the demo app, you will see the following screen on your browser. The following screen shows the file structure in the app. Index.html is the first entry point to the web application, in which we define main.jsx as the main entry point of the React app. In main.jsx, we define App.jsx. App.jsx is the root component of your application, where you'll start building your UI. React applications are built from isolated pieces of UI called components. A React component is a JavaScript function that you can sprinkle with markup. Components can be as small as a button, or as large as an entire page. You need to define export inside a component and import a component in the main app. JSX stands for JavaScript XML. JSX allows us to write HTML in React. In above example, the code generates the out as, I love JSX. Props are arguments passed into React components. Props are passed to components via HTML attributes. React Router is a library that provides routing capabilities for React applications. Routing means handling navigation between different views. It can be used to create navigation menus. Hooks are functions that let you hook into React state and lifecycle features from functional components. In this example, useState hook is used to create a counter. useEffect is a React hook that lets you synchronize a component with an external system. In this example, the external system is the animation library in animation.js. React context is a way to manage state globally. It can be used together with the useState hook to share state between deeply nested components more easily than with useState alone. It lets you read and subscribe to context from your component. Examples of updating context are updating a value, updating an object via context. So those were the basic hooks. But React doesn't stop there. With the release of React 18, we now have a total of 15 built-in hooks that cover state management, side effects, performance optimization, and more. These additional hooks give developers powerful tools to build faster, more efficient, and scalable applications. That's it for today's session on React. If you found this helpful and want to keep learning more about React and modern web development, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.